First on our list is the Zookeeper Career. Zookeepers are responsible for the daily care and management of animals in zoos and wildlife parks. They ensure animals are fed, healthy, and well cared for. Zookeepers also interact with the public, educating them about animals and their habitats. To be a successful zookeeper, you'll need skills in animal handling, attention to detail, physical fitness, and good communication. This job allows for close interactions with a variety of animals and plays a crucial role in their welfare and conservation. If you'd like to learn more about how to become a zookeeper or get some insights on what a day in the life of a zookeeper looks like, check out our previous video in the cards or click the link in the description. Next up is the veterinary nurse career. Whilst veterinary nurses can typically be found in a vet clinic, they are also heavily required and relied upon in zoos and wildlife parks, which is why it's taken out the second spot on our list of zoology careers. Veterinary nurses assist veterinarians in providing medical care to zoo animals. They help with surgeries, administer medications, and monitor the health of the animals. The most crucial veterinary nurse skills needed for this role include medical knowledge, attention to detail, compassion, and physical stamina. Veterinary nurse jobs also involve hands-on medical care of exotic animals, contributing significantly to their health and well-being. For more info on veterinary nurse employment or how to become a vet nurse, you can also check out our previous videos or the links in the description. Third on our list is the zoo educator career. So, what is a zoo educator? A zoo educator, also known as a zoo education specialist, develops and delivers educational programs for zoo visitors, including school groups and the general public. They create engaging presentations and activities to teach about wildlife conservation and animal behavior. To excel as a zoo educator, you need public speaking skills, creativity, and an educational background and passion for conservation. This job combines a love for animals with a passion for education and conservation, helping to inspire the next generation to love and respect our wildlife. Number 4 on our list is the animal nutritionist career. It goes without saying that proper nutrition in animals is paramount to their health and life expectancy whilst in captivity. The role of an animal nutritionist is to design and manage the individual diets for the zoo animals, ensuring they receive adequate nutrients. They also meticulously study the dietary needs of different species and create balanced meal plans accordingly. For this role, you obviously need extensive knowledge in animal nutrition, as well as analytical skills and attention to detail. For insights in what a day in the life of an animal nutritionist looks like, we've linked to an interesting resource for you to check out in the description. And last but simply not least, number 5 on our list of careers with animals is the zoo curator. Zoo curators are responsible for overseeing the acquisition, care, and exhibition of animals in the zoo. They work on creating engaging exhibits and ensure that the animals' environments are safe and stimulating. To be a successful zoo curator, you need management skills, knowledge of animal care, creativity, and really good organizational skills. This job offers the opportunity to design and manage exhibits that educate the public and enhance the animal's quality of life. To learn more on how to become a zoo curator, check out this video that we found earlier on YouTube. And that brings us to the end of today's video. These are just a few of the amazing zoo jobs available out there for animal lovers. Each role plays a critical part in the care and conservation of animals, offering unique and rewarding experiences. If you're interested in learning more on how to work with animals as a career, the best place to start is by getting some entry-level experience by either studying a short online course or getting some form of nationally recognized training like a Certificate 2 in Animal Care, which, just like all the other resources in this video, we've linked in the description for you. Thanks so much for swinging by our channel, and I'll see you next time.